Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making Maria's Margarita. Now this drink is named after my sister, and it's her favorite drink of mine. And now I want to share the recipe with you all as well. So, let's get started. Alright, so for the ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of ice, 1.5 ounces of your favorite tequila, half an ounce of triple sec, 1/4 cup of strawberries, so about 4 strawberries, 1/4 cup of pineapple, 1 tablespoon of agave syrup, and then 2 splashes of sweet and sour mix, and then you can garnish your drink with a strawberry slice and a pineapple wedge. Okay, so to get things started, this step is optional because you're ultimately going to pour this all into a blender, but I normally like to hull each strawberry and slice it in half before adding it to the blender. This helps it incorporate the flavor better. Next up is the pineapple. I use the pineapple core to remove as much of the fruit as I need for this drink. You need roughly 1/4 cup, so you can eyeball it, and as long as the amount of pineapple equals the amount of strawberries, you should be good to go. Now you want to pour the strawberries, the pineapple, the ice, the tequila, the triple sec, the agave syrup, and the splashes of sweet and sour mix all into the blender. And then you're going to want to blend all of this until it's smooth. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm make this video reach more people. And stay tuned until the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe that's coming next week. Now I'm going to show you how to properly dress a margarita glass. So you want to take a lime and cut out a wedge to use for coating the rim of the glass. All you need is about 1/8 of the lime to do this. And then separately on a small plate, you want to pour just enough sugar to coat the rim of the glass. So you'll take your lime wedge and squeeze along the edge of the rim of the margarita glass, and then place the margarita glass upside down into the sugar, and then twist it around a bit until the entire rim is coated with sugar. And I use sugar for this drink. You can feel free to use salt for yours. So now all you have to do is pour the drink into the coated margarita glass. And for final touches, garnish it with a strawberry slice and a pineapple wedge. You can serve this and enjoy. And just like that, you made your very own Maria's Margarita. This is my sister's favorite drink of mine, so I named it after her. And I hope you love it too. Salud. This serving makes enough for 1 drink, but if you want to make a pitcher of this, just multiply each of the quantities by 4. And this can be served frozen as well. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave the link to that in the description box. If you've enjoyed this content, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. And make sure you stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make these amazing apple pie cookies. You won't want to miss it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.